Hello and welcome to our first kindergarten math lesson. This is going to be a review from what you guys did before we were out of school, but I think it will be fun. I think you'll enjoy it. There's actually parents a math activity that goes with this that is also linked in my folder on the Merrickmore webpage. Please email me or call me if you have difficulty finding my folder on the Merrickmore webpage. But today, guys, we're going to be looking at the numbers 3, 4, and 5 and seeing how many different combinations we can find in those numbers. So let me, I was in the wrong place. So here's my kindergarten math lesson. So first we're going to be looking at the number 3. See how many counters I have here? 1, 2, 3. And then I have 3 again here and 3 again here. We're going to see how many number combinations we can find in the number 3. So I'm pretending like I have a yellow crayon and a red crayon. I'm going to color some of my counters yellow and some of them red. So let's see. I'm going to color this one yellow, this one yellow, and this one red. And then over here is where I have my number sentence. So this is going to help tell me how I put these yellow and red counters together to make the number 3. So who can tell me how many yellow counters we have? We have 2. We have 2 yellow counters. How many red counters do we have? 1. We have 1 red counter. So over here you'll see 2. This sign means plus, and plus means put together. Plus means put together. Can you say that? Plus means put together. So this tells me I'm putting together my 2 yellow counters with my 1 red counter. But now it asks, how many do I have when I put them all together? When I put my yellow and my red together, it has 1, 2, 3. I have 3 all together. So I'm going to keep doing this, but I'm going to color them a little different each time so we can find new number combinations or new number bonds. So for this row of 3 counters, I think I'm going to color them all yellow. So remember, I'm putting my yellow and my red together. How many yellow? This one's a little tricky. How many yellow do I have in this one? Here I have 3 yellow. And then I'm going to put it together with my red. But do you see any red in this row? No. So what number means that we have none of something? We have no red. We're going to put a 0 to show our red. We have 0 red counters in this room. So 3 yellow plus put together with 0 red equals, how many do we have altogether? We have 3. We have 3. So the next one we're going to do, I think I'll color 1 yellow and the other 2 red. So let's see if you guys can come up with my number bond or number sentence for this one. What number do you think I'm going to put here? How many yellow do I have? 1. And then I'm going to put it together with my red. How many red do I have? 2. So 1 yellow plus 2 red equals, when I put them all together, all of these together, how many do I have? I have 3. Very good. So look right here. What do you notice about all of these answers? When I put my yellow and my red counters together, how many did I get each time? I had 3. I had 3 each time. So now what do you notice about my counters? Do I have the same amount of counters? Let's go back and look. Do I have the same now? No, I have more. Let's see how many I have in each row this time. Did you count 4? We have 4 counters. So I'm going to keep coloring in with my yellow and red. I'm going to color, let's see, what am I going to color this time? I'll color this one yellow, this one red, and this one red. Ooh, so let's see. How many yellow do I have? 2. And how many red do I have? 2. I put 2 and 2 together. Now, how many do I have total? Total is all of the counters I have when I put my 2 yellow and my 2 red together. Let's count them up and see. I have 4. Good. So this time I'm going to color yellow, red, red, red. Guys, think about this. Do I still have 4 counters every time? 4, 4, 4. Yes, I do. So the first step is what? Counting up our yellow counters. So how many yellow counters do we have? We're going to write it right here. 1. I have 1 yellow counter. Then I'm going to put them together with my red counters. How many red counters do I have? 3. I have 3 red counters in this row. But how many counters do I have when I put them all together? I still have what? I still have 4. 1 and 3 make 4. Just like 2 and 2 make 4. So here's another one. This time I'm going to color them all red. So let me count my yellow counters. How many yellow counters do I have? Remember, this is tricky. How many yellow counters do I have? 0. I don't have any. How many red counters do I have? I have 4 red counters. Very good. So 0 plus 4. This number bond 0 and 4 put together makes how many? I got 4 and 0. It still makes 4. Very good. And this is the last step. We're going to move on to 5 counters. And it looks like Miss Hardy already has 1 colored in, and that's okay. I have 5 counters in each row here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me move so I think you guys can see a little bit better if I move my screen. Well, where should I move it? I'm going to do it right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on this row, I have 5 again, and then 5 again. So I'm going to keep coloring with my yellow and red. I'm going to color this one yellow, another one yellow, another one yellow, another one yellow, and I'll do a red. So who can count up how many? Remember, I'm going to write my yellow first. How many yellow do I have? 4. Good. How many red do I have? 1. Good. When I put them all together, how many do I have total? This time I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total. So 4 plus 1 equals 5. Now let's look at the next one. I'll color it yellow, yellow, red, red, red. Good. I'll move myself back up here. How many yellow do I have? 2. And 2 plus, or 2 put together, how many red? 3 red. And it's going to equal, see if you can get it. How many do I have all together? 5. Very good. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 and 1 make 5. Good. And 2 and 3 make 5. This time I'm going to fill in 1 yellow and the rest red. How many yellow do I have here? 1. How many red do I have here? 4. 1 put together, or 1 plus 4 equals how many? Who can figure it out? 5. So this shows you 3 different ways to make 5. 4 and 1 make 5. 2 and 3 make 5. 1 and 4 make 5. There are other combinations you can do too, which you'll be able to do on your activity. So this is really just a review of breaking apart numbers to see what combinations we have in them. We did this a lot in class before we got out. So what you're going to want to do after this, if you can, you're going to go to your folder or my folder, and you will see beside kindergarten math lesson 1, you will see an activity, and you can print that out. And you are going to find different combinations in the numbers 3, 4, and 5 by yourself. And so all you need is 2 crayons that are different color. It can be yellow and red like I used, or it can be purple and green, blue and pink, whatever you want to use, just 2 different colors. Okay, well, let me stop here. Thank you guys all for listening. I will post another math video next week for you to see. Remember that every week I will be posting 1 kindergarten reading and 1 kindergarten math and 1 social skills if you want to watch your social skills or a social skills video. Okay. So I look forward to talking with you all again next week for math. Thank you so much.